All right, you guys. I wanted to film this job, but I wasn't able to. My client was here at first, so I kind of got into it. But I do want to give some hints and tips on this. I found it rather difficult to do, even though it's actually kind of simple. So I'm working on a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan with the 3.6, replacing the starter. So first of all, let me show you where it's located at. You're gonna come up under the truck, and there's a crossbar that goes right here that you're actually gonna have to remove or swing out of the way like I did. But your starter is actually located behind the motor mount. Sits here, and this is the bracket for the motor mount, and the starter sits back there. As you can see, I've already got it finished up. The thing about this, once you get this bracket off, you're supposed to disconnect the wires, and they're very, very difficult to do. So I tried pulling the starter out to pull it down and then disconnect the wires, but because of the battery wire, it doesn't give you the room to pull it all the way out. So what I did is, if you work a wrench right in between the cat and where the wires are, you can get a 1/2 inch onto the starter nut, the power nut, and you can break it loose and then remove it with your fingers. After that, you can pull the starter out, pull it down a little bit, and then get the other little connector wire. That's the only way that I found to do it. It was the best way to do it. And then there's 2 bolts that hold it in. They're both in the transmission housing, and both the heads are on this side. So there's one there, and then one just a little bit above it. But yeah, you will have to remove this cross member that goes across here. You will have to remove the front motor mount, and then you'll have to remove this motor mount bracket. Once you open it up, it looks harder than it is. If you use a 15-degree curved 1/2 inch wrench, you can get on the power wire. And what I mean by that, so I used this one, and you see how it's got that 15-degree angle on it. So I went onto the nut this way, with this end onto the nut, and hopefully that helps you guys. It is kind of difficult, but it's not that bad, really. If once you get past trying to pull it out and to get to the wires, you'll understand that it's much easier if you take the 2-minute struggle to go between the cat and the starter to get that 13mm nut off. And that should do it for you. I hope that helps. That's the location of it. A couple tips for you. Other than that, it's actually pretty simple.